Hi, everyone. You are welcome to our channel. Now we will be sharing how to easily make Caesar salad at home. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video. Here we go. This comprehensive guide covers every aspect of making a Caesar salad at home, from its origins and essential ingredients to variations, nutritional benefits, and step-by-step instructions for preparation. It's a versatile and delicious dish that can be enjoyed year-round, whether as a refreshing appetizer, a light lunch, or a flavorful side dish. Introduction to Caesar salad. Caesar salad is a classic dish that has been enjoyed by food enthusiasts around the world for decades. Its origins can be traced back to the 1920s, when Italian-American restaurateur Cesar Cardini created the recipe in Tijuana, Mexico. Since then, the Caesar salad has become a staple on menus in restaurants and homes alike, loved for its simplicity, flavor, and versatility. The essential ingredients. Before we delve into the preparation process, let's familiarize ourselves with the key ingredients that make up a traditional Caesar salad. 1. Romaine lettuce. Crisp and sturdy, romaine lettuce serves as the base of the salad, providing a refreshing crunch and a mild, slightly bitter flavor. 2. Caesar dressing. The hallmark of a Caesar salad is its creamy and tangy dressing, typically made from a combination of mayonnaise, minced garlic, anchovy paste or anchovies, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, and Parmesan cheese. 3. Croutons. Toasted bread cubes seasoned with garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper add texture and flavor to the salad, providing a satisfying crunch with every bite. 4. Parmesan cheese. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese is sprinkled generously over the salad, imparting a salty and savory taste that complements the other ingredients. Optional ingredients. 1. Anchovies. While not always included, traditional Caesar dressing often contains anchovies or anchovy paste, which contribute a rich umami flavor to the dressing. 2. Egg yolk. Some recipes call for the addition of a raw egg yolk, which helps emulsify the dressing and create a creamy texture. Variations of Caesar salad. While the classic Caesar salad is timeless in its simplicity, there are countless variations and adaptations to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. Here are a few popular variations. 1. Grilled chicken Caesar salad. Adding grilled chicken breast slices to the salad makes it a heartier and more substantial meal, perfect for lunch or dinner. 2. Shrimp Caesar salad. Substitute grilled or sautéed shrimp for chicken to create a lighter and seafood-centric version of the salad, ideal for warmer weather. 3. Vegan Caesar salad. For those following a plant-based diet, vegan Caesar dressing made from ingredients like cashews, nutritional yeast, capers, and Dijon mustard can be used instead of traditional dressing. 4. Kale Caesar salad. Swap out romaine lettuce for chopped kale to add a nutritional boost and a slightly earthy flavor to the salad, creating a more robust and hearty dish. 5. Quinoa Caesar salad. Incorporating cooked quinoa into the salad adds protein, fiber, and texture, making it a more satisfying and nutritious option for vegetarians and vegans. Please subscribe and share the video. Nutritional benefits of Caesar salad. Despite its reputation as a simple and indulgent dish, Caesar salad offers several nutritional benefits when prepared with wholesome ingredients and balanced proportions. Here are a few. 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Romaine lettuce is an excellent source of vitamins A, K, and C, as well as folate, potassium, and calcium. 1. These nutrients support overall health and wellness, including immune function, bone health, and heart health. 2. Protein. Adding grilled chicken or shrimp to the salad increases its protein content, which is essential for muscle repair, satiety, and overall energy levels. 3. Healthy fats. The olive oil and Parmesan cheese used in Caesar salad dressing provide healthy unsaturated fats, which support heart health and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Fiber. Whole grain croutons or the addition of quinoa to the salad contribute dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Step-by-step preparation. Now, let's walk through the process of making a classic Caesar salad at home. Step 1. Prepare the romaine lettuce. 1. Rinse the romaine lettuce leaves under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Pat the leaves dry with a clean kitchen towel or salad spinner. 3. Tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large mixing bowl. Step 2. Make the Caesar dressing. 1. In a blender or food processor, combine the mayonnaise, minced garlic, anchovy paste or anchovies, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. 2. Blend the ingredients until smooth and creamy, adjusting the seasonings to taste as needed. Step 3. Prepare the croutons. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Cut day-old bread into cubes and place them in a mixing bowl. 3. Drizzle the bread cubes with olive oil and toss to coat evenly. 4. Season the bread cubes with minced garlic, salt, and pepper, tossing again to distribute the seasonings evenly. 5. Spread the seasoned bread cubes in a single layer on a baking sheet and bake for 10–15 minutes, or until golden brown and crisp. Step 4. Assemble the salad. 1. Add the prepared croutons to the bowl of romaine lettuce. 2. Drizzle the Caesar dressing over the salad, starting with a small amount and adding more as desired. 3. Toss the salad gently to coat the leaves evenly with the dressing. 4. Sprinkle freshly grated Parmesan cheese over the salad, reserving some for garnish. Step 5. Garnish and serve. 1. Transfer the dressed salad to individual serving plates or bowls. 2. Garnish each serving with additional Parmesan cheese and freshly ground black pepper, if desired. 3. Serve immediately as a refreshing appetizer, light lunch, or side dish alongside your favorite entree. Tips and tricks for success. 1. Use high-quality, fresh ingredients for the best flavor and texture. 2. If using whole anchovies, be sure to mince them finely or mash them into a paste to ensure even distribution throughout the dressing. 3. For added flavor, consider grilling the romaine lettuce for a smoky twist on the classic salad. 4. Customize the salad to suit your taste preferences by adjusting the amount of garlic, anchovies, lemon juice, and Parmesan cheese in the dressing. 5. Make the salad your own by incorporating additional toppings such as cherry tomatoes, avocado slices, or grilled vegetables. Please subscribe and share the video. Conclusion. In essence, making a Caesar salad at home is a simple and satisfying endeavor that requires just a handful of ingredients and a bit of creativity. Whether you stick to the classic recipe or put your own spin on it with unique variations and additions, the result is sure to be a delicious and nutritious dish that will delight your taste buds and impress your family and friends. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and get ready to enjoy the fresh flavors and timeless appeal of homemade Caesar salad. Please subscribe and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.